The vast stretches of the unknown and the unanswered and the unfinished still far outstrip our collective comprehension. Man in his quest for knowledge and progress is determined and cannot be deterred. The exploration of space will go ahead. Many years ago, the great British explorer George Mallory was asked why did he want to climb it. He said, because it is there. Well, space is there, and we're going to climb it. And the moon and the planets are there, and new hopes for knowledge and peace are there. And therefore, as we set sail, we ask God's blessing on the most hazardous and dangerous and greatest adventure on which man has ever embarked. Why climb the highest mountain? Why, 35 years ago, fly the Atlantic? We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon. We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard.